video is going to be pura paisa vasool because I'm going to show you guys 3 looks. I'll be sharing 3 complete looks in this particularly one video. Hi guys, hope you all are doing well and welcome to Femica. Eye makeup is the most exciting thing to do, trust me. We get to experiment with eyeshadow, eyeliner, mascara and whatnot. And nowadays there are so many formulas too, it's just way too exciting. But something that we have always loved are kajals, right? So in today's video, for 3 looks, I'm going to be using kajals. And if you don't believe me, then to believe me, you have to keep on watching. Basically in this video, I'm going to be covering a simple coal eye look and I'll take the same look to a dramatic graphic eye. And I'm going to do all of that with just herbs kajal. I cannot wait to do this looks with you guys. So without wasting any time, let's get started. But before that, please subscribe to the channel, comment down below and stand a chance to win a free beauty hamper from Femica. And now we get started. This is how the Nanam Day Long Coal looks like, and as you can see here, it comes with a free sharpener of its own. This is how the pencils look like, and these are the sharpeners, so you don't have to run every time your pencil is dry. Now I think whites are really underestimated, and I will show you the magic of a white coal right now. So I'm just going to take the pencil and I'm going to line my waterline. And these are very pigmented, so I'm not putting a lot of pressure to it. So now I'm looking straight at you. You tell me what you see. Do you see how bigger this eye looks like? And this is a great tip for people who are like me and who have smaller eyes. And this is just so beautiful. So I'm just going to repeat it on this eye too. I feel like white is a great color if you want to do a graphic eye too. But today we are going to do a bunch of colors, so let's see what comes up next. So this is look number 1. I know it is utterly simple, but if you understand the difference of minute changes, you will see this one as a very simple hack but yet so effective. My eyes look so much open and so much brighter than what it was. So this trick basically goes very well when you have a very simple makeup going on, very simple eyes, and you're gonna look beautiful with this. Next, of course, we have to do a smoky eye. I cannot live without a good smoky eye. So for that, I'm going to take brown. So lately, I have been loving browns. And this brown, you will see it just glides. You can see how well it glides, and I love this shade of brown. It's not like warm tone brown, that is not my favorite. This is like a true brown. Now for the second look, I'll show you guys how I do a smoky lower lash line. It had been trending for a long time and all for right reasons. So I'm just gonna start by applying it at the corner. Remember not to put it in your waterline because you want the eyes to look really big. Then take a pencil brush like this and start blending. So what I suggest is hold your mirror up so that you're looking up and all this space under your eye is free and it's your canvas and you can recreate. Now you can go like a lower lash wing too with this, like this, just lifting a little bit, and you can already see the shape is changing. And you can also go as dramatic or as minimal as you want. And I always like to go in sections, be it my foundation, be it anything, because it gives me more control. So I'm doing the same thing. So now I'm just gonna move a little bit to the center too and blend again. I love it. I'm seeing myself in the viewfinder and I'm like, yes, this is so good. So this is look number 2. Now this is gonna look amazing with both Eastern and Western outfits and looks, and this is just very sultry and sexy, I believe. Now let's just forget everything that I said a second ago because we are going to disrupt the comfortable zone. I am going to be creating a graphic liner, and this is going to be really bold. So if you're attending some sort of sunburn and music festival, you might use it. But yeah, that is the beauty of makeup. Either you can be comfortable or you can be creative. So for the next one, actually this look I have not tried ever, the sort of eyeliner that I'm doing. So I am also very excited. So for this I'm using the shade, which shade is this? It's called True Tea. This is how it is. So the look that I want to do has like, it should be like a circle and then finishing with dots. I'm really nervous. So let me just shut up and do it. So I'm just gonna start from here. And I'm gonna make these circles. They don't need to be perfect circles. They just need to be like the print of the pencil, which I think is much easier than getting perfect circles. Okay, I do not have enough lid space for 3, so I might just leave it at 2. And in here. Okay, now my job. Actually, this is also looking nice. So what I'm gonna do is I just wanna shape like this, I think. So I'm just gonna make it like this. I'm gonna go a little outside. Hey, this is not bad at all.
Let me show you how you can shop all these products at Femica at the best prices. For that you need to visit our website, and on the home page in the makeup section you will find all the makeup categories. You can also search individual products from the search bar. You can check out each product by clicking on the product. Here you will find all the necessary information about it. The product, the benefits, the feature, the shade, everything will be mentioned along with the prices. You can add all of these products to your cart, and then you can go and proceed to view your cart, or you can proceed to checkout. Then you have to put in your delivery information and shipping address, and then you can move to payment. For payment we have card, wallet, UPI, net banking, so it cannot get easier than this.
So yeah, that was the look guys. For clean, safe and natural beauty products, you can shop at Femica. Do check out all the links of the products in the description box below. Join the community and welcome yourself to the world of clean, safe, organic beauty and wellness. And you can do so by connecting with us through all our social media platforms, the links to which are either on your screen or mentioned on the description box below. Signing off with lots of love until we meet the next time. Do let me know. Do not forget to let me know how did you like this video, and I'll see you guys